Jars are my favorite thing. Everybody knows. Oh, hi, Lillah. Where were you at today? Could have used help.
I was out.
Don't care. We could have used help. Your today from you.
What did you need my help with?
I went to thrift store today. Made George drive me.
Oh, really? What did you get at the thrift store?
Oh, I'll show you everything. Look. Okay, ready? Amazing. First, Introduction to Modern Bulgarian Literature. Very important. It's for you to read. Okay? Before bed.
Thank you. What is that? A wooden box thing?
Look it. So pretty, Lillah. You can't have it. It's mine.
I don't want it, Baba.
Can you see that? Many. Label still on. Made in Bulgaria. Paid $4.99. Too much, but I like it.
I can't believe you paid $4.99 for anything at any one time. What are you going to use it for?
Maybe George put his weeds in there.
Oh, for George. For George. Oh, weeds. Ha ha ha.
Good pot for pot, don't you think? Yeah.
Ha ha ha.
Got a little bit of stain. Don't ask too many questions. I like it. You ready for what else I bought?
There's more.
Okay. Da, 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 da. No canning pot. But that's not all. Oh, it's a book. Oh, that's all going to fall down now. Home canning made easy. Oh, look. Pickles and relishes. You like relish. I know you do, Lillah.
I really don't like relish.
Summer in a jar. Like the neighbors. Shake it. 2 of these. I don't know why. You Bernardin Guide to Home Preserving. You have the rip one, okay? You read that before bed. That's for you.
Before bed, yeah. Okay. Thanks for that.
Home canning. Complete guide. Okay, so those. And then look. This is the part you put the jars in. Inside here. Oh, look. Ting. Ting. Many. Oh, these are like gold. These. Can't have enough of them. And box. More box. Oh, it's like Christmas. That's not all, Lillah. Are you ready?
But wait, there's more.
Okay. Lots of books. Many books. Okay. So, I bought crate of jars.
We have a basement full of jars, Baba.
Never enough jars, Lillah.
Don't we have enough jars?
Want to see what else I got?
What is going on? This is a lot of production, Baba.
Ooh. Another box of jars. Big banana box. Filled with little ones. That's one. Another box of jars. This one, big ones for pickles. I like pickles. You like pickles, don't you, Lillah?
I'm really not sure how I feel about pickles in this moment.
Okay. 3 bucks. 3 box of jars. All of them full. 1, 2, 3, like Sesame Street.
Yes, just like Sesame Street. 1, 2, 3. Well done on the counting.
And then this one. Jar. So many jars. Jars of happy place. So many. Just in case I have to make preserves. Or someone make me mad, they put their name in it with some urine.
What?
Never mind. That's what my thrift store haul today. George very tired. He outside. What are you doing right now? Because there's lots of tomatoes that need processing.
I am drinking tea.
You help with your soft little hands.
That is a lot of tomatoes, and I'm not sure that I should help.
Don't care if you don't want to help. Baba live here now. Okay, that's Baba's thrift store haul. I'm better than you. Lillah, better thrift store than you.
What did you say?
Wait, what did I say? Don't touch my jars! I need all the jars. It's a happy day. It's such a happy day. I love your jars. I love your jars. Oh, there's a bug in there. All the jars are mine. Don't touch them. I am so rich and very, very happy. It's all for me, not for anybody else. Maybe at Christmas you get chow chow if you're nice to Baba.